Hello traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back again today with another 7 trade. And today's date is October the 23rd and I'm using my new Mega Scalper trading system. This system has the Heikin-Ashi candles on the top along with these arrows. They're called the super signal indicator, and of course it has some oscillate indicators down here at the bottom. You'll get an audio sound and this pop-up box suggesting to either buy and or sell. Now every morning at 6 o'clock I'm in front of the computer trading the New York session right here, and this is the London, which goes until 11 a.m. New York time, which is right here. It's just a few minutes before 11 a.m. as I do this video. I'm looking at all these different instruments, and of course I'm looking at my daily trade plan. Once I figured out I want to be buying and or selling, I'll manually put in this white arrow just to remind me the direction I want to be trading. Now here's my daily trade plan. It's an expert advisor. It's running in real time, analyzing the charts from the monthly all the way down to the 30 minutes. And within the comments here, after it does the calculations, we'll make a suggestion either to look for bullish trades, bearish trades. Some will be preferred, and sometimes it just be not enough strength. Now, if you're trading without any kind of a daily trade plan, well, that's one good reason why you are struggling. Now, if you have any questions regarding this daily trade plan, well, just get in contact with me. Now, another great tool I recommend you getting your hands on, it's called the FibMaster tool. You would just click right here on this tab. You would go from swing low to the swing high, and there's your pullback. And if it comes back to any of the entries, it'll usually make it to target 2, 3, 4, or 5, which is right here. And it does have a grand total of 10 targets. This tool works so great mainly because millions of traders all over the world use Fibonacci. Now, if you have any questions regarding this Fib tool, well, just get in contact with me. So let's take a look at these trades. First one I did was the dollar CAD. Drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. So got in at this cursor right here. Went up, did a bit of a pullback, and then it continued on its way up. Looks like I locked in 14 pips, and that paid out $101. Okay, let's move on to the next trade, which is the Euro Yen. Here we go. Just drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Got in at this cursor and I closed it out over here. Did not do a big move, but when I do 5, 10 or more trades at a time, I don't need big moves to get an easy 200 pips and or ticks on a daily basis. Close it out at this point, looks like with 21 pips, and that paid out $137. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is the Euro New Zealand. Everything was looking great. Did qualify for a great way to trade when I took the trade. Everything on the top and the bottom was perfect. I knew it was going to go up with 95% certainty. So I liked those odds. Took the trade at this point and I closed it out over here, being happy with looks like 24 pips, and that paid out $144. Okay, let's move on to the next trade. Now we're getting into the futures, the indexes. They move a lot more and they pay a lot more. So here we go. We're going to drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Everything was looking great. Qualified for a great way to trade. I knew it was going to go down with 95% certainty. So I took the money and divided it by 5 as it pays $5 for each tick. Calculator says it's approximately 72 ticks. There it is right there, 72. And that ended up paying out $362. Okay, let's move on to the next trade, which is NASDAQ. This one pays $20 for each tick. Took the money divided by 20, and it's almost, if I round it up, it's 20, so that's 20 ticks. Drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Everything was looking great, top and bottom. Qualified for a great way to trade. Arrow from back here. You can tell just by looking at the charts the direction it's going to go. So let's see. As I said, it's close to 20. That's close enough. And those 20 ticks paid out $396. Okay, let's move on to the next trade, which is Russell. Now, Russell pays $10 for each tick, so looking at the money, easy to see this should be 41. So let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. First of all, it's the way the market moves. Down, pull back, down, pull back. So anyhow, took the trade at this cursor. I eventually closed it out here, getting those 41 ticks, and that paid out $410. I can show you that fib tool again. Works great with any trading system. Works great with Heikin-Ashi candles, Japanese candles. So you would just click on this tab, go swing high to swing low. Depending on where you pull the trigger, there's a pullback there, another pullback here. And wherever you get in, obviously back here and here is better. But if it hits any of the entries, it'll hit target 2, 3, 4, 5. And of course, it can keep going all the way down to number 10. Again, if you have any questions regarding this fib tool, well, just get in contact with me. Okay, let's move on to the last trade, which is gold. Now, gold pays $10 for each tick, so looking at the money, easy to see this should be 191. So let's just drag and drop this up, see where it got in at. Looks like this was the best mover of the day. Everything was looking great. Arrow from the daily trade plan, super signal. The scalper, remember this is the scalper, mega scalper, was red. And what did I say, 191. If I was still in the trade right now, I'd be up 280 something. 191, there it is right there. 191 ticks, paying out $1,912. So another great day of trading using my mega scalper trading system. I knew it was going to be over 200 pips and or ticks. Grand total came to 383, and all of those pips and ticks paid out $3,463. So if your system's not producing like my mega scalper, well, I recommend you get your hands on it. Don't forget about the daily trade plan, and don't forget about the FibMaster tool. Now, if you have any questions, well, just get in contact with me. That's easy to do. All you have to do is look right below this video. You'll see in the description just a banner, the word more, just click on that. Opens up another window with my contact information plus a lot of other information. Now you can pick up the phone and call me directly. I do answer the phone unless I'm busy. If you live too far, that's okay, just send me an email. Now I do prefer Skype. Made it easy for you. There's a link, all you got to do is click on it. At that point we'll have a Skype connection, and through Skype I should be able to answer most of your questions. Also in the description you'll see 4 different packages. I do charge $250 for each package. And I know for a fact that you're going to need a lot of education to succeed at trading. So I made a special offer. If you buy 2 packages, I'll give you one of the other 2 packages for free. Now you should be buying more education every 2 or 3 months if you want to succeed at trading. And of course, when you buy from me, I do give support. And without support, you will still struggle to succeed at trading. After you buy from me, I'll tell you more very important secrets to successfully trading the markets in a free Skype call. Now, if you leave your name and email address, I'll put you on my email list for free weekly trading tips. So it's just about time to wrap up this video. And if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.